the recipe for the icing. It is 16 ounces or 1 pound of cream cheese, 8 ounces or 2 sticks of butter, and 24 ounces of powdered sugar. And we're gonna make this in our stand mixer.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can bring you more recipes. Thank you.
So I've had the cream cheese out for a while, so it's nice and soft. So I'm just gonna add chunks like this, break it up like that, and add it in. We're gonna paddle it till it's nice and smooth. And then we're gonna add in our butter. And if you notice, the butter is soft. I've had this sitting out as well, so it's soft enough that I can squeeze it. Once the cream cheese is in there and it's all nice and smooth and fluffy, we'll add the butter, and then we're gonna add in our powdered sugar, and that's 5½ cups or 24 ounces. Our cream cheese is light and fluffy now, and I'm gonna do the same thing with the butter. I'm just gonna break up chunks, and it's okay, I've got some sugar on my spatula. Oh. So once I get the butter in, we're just gonna put it on low. I'm gonna wait until that's broken up a bit, and then I'm gonna add my next chunk of butter until I've got all of this butter added and it's completely mixed in. So every so often, you're gonna turn the machine off. See how it's like stuck on the paddle right there? That chunk of butter. So make sure you scrape the paddle and scrape down the sides of the bowl. That way you can ensure everything's getting mixed in properly. Now that you have the cream cheese and butter completely combined, you have no streaks of butter, you can start adding in the powdered sugar. I'm gonna add in half, mix it in, and add in the rest. So make sure you're adding in the powdered sugar. Just do it on low speed and add the next batch after you've gotten that completely mixed in. Here is the icing, nice and fluffy. And when you first made it, it really tends to be very soft. So if you have time, let it sit in the refrigerator and chill, and that'll give you an easier time to pipe, but I'm doing this right now quickly for a demonstration. I'm using a starred tip in our piping bag, and you just wanna pipe a nice rosette. There we go. And then you can decorate it any way that you like. We could put some sprinkles on it. And I'm getting ready for Halloween, so we're actually gonna do some of these for Halloween. So we're gonna put some Halloween sprinkles on top. And there we go, voila, our beautiful red velvet cupcake with the cream cheese, red velvet icing, and some sprinkles. That looks absolutely delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out more of our videos on our YouTube channel. Take care.
For more recipe demonstrations, please click like and subscribe to Chef Victoria Loves YouTube channel and have fun in the kitchen. Thank you.